Friends, it is not enough just to take a proper diet for good health, but good sleep is equally important for being healthy. Nowadays, different shifts work in different shifts. In this way, the most sleep is affected. Many times it happens that sleep has to be done in pieces, but taking small sleep is very bad in terms of health. According to a research, poor sleep, that is, sleep in small pieces, is more dangerous than sleeping. With this, many kinds of diseases can make the body prey. People who sleep in pieces do not even get up in the morning. Bad sleep also affects the kidneys. There is also a danger bell for half-hearted sleep. With this, chances of heart disease can increase, and heart attacks can also happen. Among those who complained of poor sleep in a research, 20% more coronary calcium has been found compared to those who have been sleeping. By taking less sleep, the brain does not work properly. Its direct effect falls on our advice. Apart from this, the ability to read, learn, and take decisions is also effective. Stress level also increases with poor sleep, and emoticons can also be victims of depression. Let's now tell you about some important medicines of homeopathic to overcome these problems related to sleep. To overcome sleep-related problems, repeatedly taking coffee or crude medicine is not homeopathy. If it is not the only symptom of sleep, if there is no other symptoms, then these types of medicines are beneficial, which have special effects on sleeping. If you want to sleep after eating in the afternoon and feeling much more lethargic after sleeping, then using 30 power of lycopodium drug is very beneficial to overcome these kinds of problems. If the insomnia disease caused by bleeding, or diarrhea, or insomnia due to the weakening of the body, or because of drinking tea, is beneficial to use of China 30 drug treatment. If the person's body is fatty or thorny, then using calcarrier carb 30 is more beneficial at the intervals of every 3 hours during the night. Sleep starts good. This sleep is not like any kind of intoxication, but it is a healthy sleep. Do not get sleepy due to happiness, lottery, or award, or hear any such news. Get excited and do not sleep. The brain gets so excited that the eyes do not stop, one thought after another. If there is a crowd of thoughts in mind, mental stimulation starts to increase. Even after 3 o'clock in the night, the patient cannot sleep even while sleeping, be shocked, sleeping, and even dream. If these types of symptoms are in the patient, then to treat the disease, it should use coffee Acruda 200. It is a very useful drug for sleeping. If there is no sleep due to itching in the rectum, then its use is beneficial even in such a state. Using the low power of the coffee drug is beneficial to cure the patient's insomnia. If you do not get sleep because of emotional stimulation, the mind becomes calm with the intake of gelsemium. If you are not sleeping due to fear, horror, or bad news, then you get to sleep after treatment with gelsemium medicines. When the mind gets distracted from the bad news, to improve the insufficiency of the patient working more, the gelsemium drug should be used. If such patients who are more uneasy at night due to their business, and do not sleep, if they wake up in the morning, and get worried about business, such patients should use gelsemium medicines to cure this disease. Do not get sleep due to any grief. There is more grief in the mind due to the death of relatives, and due to this there is no sleep. The patient suffering from this type of symptom should take 200 potency of Ignitia medicine. If there is no sleep due to being emotional, it is beneficial to treat the disease with an Ignitia drug. If you are not sleeping due to hysteria disease, it is very beneficial to use 200 potency of Ignitia medicine to treat the disease. If the patient goes to sleep, then he sleeps with dreams, keeps dreaming till late night, and the patient is more upset. Sleep reduces, sleep is heard, but sleep does not occur. It is advisable to use Ignitia medicine to cure such a patient's disease. If there is sorrow in the mind and there is no sleep due to mental reasons and due to sleeping in constant sleep, it is very beneficial to use the 30 power of Agnisha medicine to treat it. Friends, the purpose of our channel is to give you all important information about the homeopathic world and to present the form of homeopathic speaking materia medica through pictures. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and share our channel homeopathic information.